This is Kiata Studio.
Unknown color.
Really? Why? You're unknown, therefore I'm unknown. Like, I think I should have probably wore my afro for this video because it would have been very fitting. This is Kiata Studio. If you haven't subscribed to Kiata Studio yet on YouTube, make sure that you do so that you can join the studio squad. In this video, I will be unboxing a Bob Ross board game. It's called Bob Ross Art and Chill Game. I found it at Marshall's. Have you ever went shopping at a store before and found something on a shelf that is a rare find or something that you have never seen before and it just felt like it was meant to be there at that moment for you? That's how I felt about this board game. When I saw this board game, I just knew that it had to come home with me. It only cost $4.99. I like the fact that the white of the box in the front is matte and everything else is glossy. This is the front of the box and here is the back. Time to take the lid off. Everything is neatly packaged. This is the artist easel. The artist easel is supposed to get set up so that all of the players will easily see it somewhere on the table. These are the palettes. It's 4 of them. This is the game board and feature markers. The feature markers are right up here in the corners, then they just get punched out. This is the chill meter. It goes from warm colors to cool colors. Chill cards get placed right there. Here are the instructions. This game is recommended for people ages 12 and up. The game will take about 30 minutes to play. Also, the amount of players is from 2 to 4 players. Each deck of cards came in its own individual bag instead of being wrapped in a band. There are 15 of these double-sided painting panels. The object of the game is to follow along with Bob as he paints landscape features such as fluffy clouds and happy little trees in a series of his trademark masterpieces. Collect cards that represent brushes and paints. Apply paint to your palette, then use a brush to paint features of your own. The more you paint, the more chill points you earn, and the player who attains chill status wins the game. I grew up watching Bob Ross on TV. Therefore, when I seen this game at Marshall's, it definitely brought back nostalgic memories. Did you also grow up watching Bob Ross on TV? Let me know. Just drop a comment. Here's the art supplies deck. Here's the chill deck of cards. This is called the Bob Mover. Are the 4 chill cubes. And this is the die. What do you think about this video? Would you like for me to do more unboxing videos? These are the Technique cards. I have already called a few of my friends over to come and play this game. I cannot wait to play Art and Chill. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, watch it as many times as you want, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. And watch my next video.